Shenzhen EAZ Model is located in China's manufacturing and international logistics hub, adjacent to Hong Kong. We own 3 professional rapid prototyping and product manufacturing companies, with our own factory and ISO 9001:2015 certification. Most of our local partners hold ISO 13485:2016 and IATF 16949:2016 certifications, adhering to strict quality management standards. In CNC machining, we offer turning and milling services, equipped with 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis machining equipment. We possess 3 3D printing technologies, SLA, SLS, and SLM, as well as flexible vacuum casting processes. Sheet metal work includes laser cutting, venting, welding, and stamping. Furthermore, in the mass production stage, we offer essential services such as rapid prototyping, injection molding, and die casting, providing diverse solutions from rapid prototyping to mass production. To enhance the functionality and aesthetics of our products, we offer a complete range of surface treatment services, including anodizing, brushing, spray painting, electroplating, and more. In terms of quality management, we are equipped with advanced testing equipment, such as coordinate measuring machines and projectors, and we never compromise on tolerances. We are serving valued customers worldwide. We have no minimum quantity limit and can produce finished products in as little as 1 day. Thank you for your interest, and we look forward to supporting your next project.